started today with a new exercise. I like to call this a low line exercise. This is the first of many to come. Okay, hence the slack line is low. Nice and low. Alright, today's exercise is mountain climbers. We've got a few progressions to work up to that. Our first one is a long hold. You're going to step up to the line, bring your right foot onto the line, placing it right about the ball mount of your feet, maybe just the top of the arch. Right in this area here. Here's our ball mount, so in this area. From there, you put weight into it and step the standing leg back. Quite a bit back, about 3 foot or so. And then we're going to lunge into our leg that's on the slack line, bringing the knee over the ankle here. Be sure not to take the knee too far past. If you can't see your toes, it's too far. And then we're just going to hold here, 3 to 5 breaths. Arm variations out in front of you, out to the side, up above, remembering to slightly tuck the tailbone and integrate the thighs here, quads. 3 to 5 breaths, come down, switch sides. Find a focus point if that helps you. Again, 3 to 5 breaths, and you can build that up to 8 or 10 breaths, even 15 or 20 breaths if you want. Intelligent progressions, and come down. Okay, now we're going to do progression 2. We're going to get into that same exact position as we were progression 1 here. The next, we're going to straighten this front leg, but not allowing this to happen. Okay, so we want to keep the slack line under us and push back. Lean forward. Straighten. Doing that for, again, 3 to 5 reps on one side, and then switching, building up the reps as you go. If you need to, for placement, you can put your hands down and get in a nice good place here, feel good about it, and then come up. Again, not pushing it out like this, grounding down, drawing the hips back here to a straight leg. Coming back. Back. You should really feel that right here, burning. After you're done with that exercise, you should feel it there. Okay, now progression 3, mountain climbers. Bringing our hands onto the line, coming into a bit of a plank pose, picking a foot, bringing it up to the line, placing it next to your hand. From there, you're going to press down in the slack line, lift the hips up, and switch feet like so. Again, lifting the hips up, switching feet. Always pressing down, trying to minimize movement here. Okay? Important also, keep the thumbs not wrapped around the line, but over the line. In case you were to get too much energy going forward, you don't catch your thumb. You know, we want to minimize any injuries. That's progression 3, folks. Mountain climbers. Same thing, 3 to 5 reps. Remember to breathe, looking down. It's probably a little easier on the neck. Do it till you're tired, build the progressions up, and send us what you've been working on. We want to see it. Until next time, SLACKROBATS. Keep training.